Hello, this is Kevin with the SharePoint Solution Center team. In today's video, we will be discussing information management and what best practices can help you better organize the content of your site. Here is a document library with content organized using a traditional folder-based method. Most libraries are organized this way because users are most familiar with this form of hierarchy. When we look for content on our local machines, this is how we are often accustomed to finding it. While this system works fine for smaller collections of information, there are other methods that can and should be used when organizing libraries with more than a few dozen items. For this example, we'll use the audio program iTunes. The iTunes library is similar to a SharePoint library in that users are often looking for one specific item amongst a collection of hundreds or even thousands of items. Without a way to organize this information, locating just one song or document can be very time-consuming. This is where we introduce the term metadata. Metadata is supplemental data that accompanies the required identifying information of an item. In our iTunes example, this would be the extra information attached to each song, such as artist, album, composer, genre, length, or release date. A user only needs to know a piece of information in order to locate the item they are looking for. If you are looking for a particular song and know the name of the song, you can simply sort your library alphabetically and find it. If you do not know the name of the song but know who the artist is, you can filter out all content except songs by that artist to narrow your search. This is a fast and effective way to organize content without ever needing a single folder. Here we have an example site with content structured using managed metadata and views. In this view, items with shared parameters are grouped together. Additional views can be created to further fragment and organize the content. The best part of using managed metadata instead of folders is that new items automatically place themselves into their respective views with no manual input required from the user. When accessing the properties of an item, you'll see another key business intelligence feature, taxonomy lists. These are used to automatically populate lists of information. For example, when I start typing into the state column, you will notice that Arizona displays as a recommended field. Not only is this faster than having to type out the item, but it gives the users an option to select instead of letting them define it themselves. Going back to the state example, some users may input an abbreviated AZ for Arizona, while other users may type out the entire name. Some may even accidentally misspell the state. Then, when SharePoint organizes the content, it will group some items in Arizona, some in AZ, and some in different combinations of misspelled states when they should actually be grouped together. By giving them a selectable option, it ensures that the content is grouped correctly. Utilizing managed metadata will allow you to more effectively manage your content and offer users a better experience on your site. These are just some of the features that SharePoint 2013 has to offer. For more information, or to request SharePoint assistance, please visit us at the SharePoint Solution Center homepage.